Hey, and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm actually going to show you this grill table, which is actually overdue a review. I've been using this table for, I would say, nearly 3 years now, I think. So let's jump into it and we're going to look into it. So right, we're going to start with the size of this table first. So the width of the table, or the depth of the table, is 980 millimeters. The length of the table is 2 meters and 130 millimeters, and the size is 900 millimeters, which is a perfect height worktop. So at the moment is housing 25-inch grill. I've got a pizza oven on top of it, which still leaves me quite a bit of a working space. I've got about 700 mil or nearly 800 millimeters of working space by a meter, which is I do a lot of stuff on here. Or you can just remove the pizza oven and have all this worked up for yourself. Starting from the side shelves, so we got a side shelves, removable ones, and hangers. So the top one, you can actually have this as a different tier heights, or you can have these on opposite side of the table, which is this one I've removed from the other side, the way I set the table up. So maybe a bit of too much going on down here. So that's the side of the table. So what is it made of? So the whole top is stainless steel, as you can see, not rusting at all. The whole frame is stainless steel as well. Basically, we've got no rust whatsoever after nearly 3 years outside. Obviously, most of the time it's been covered up, but the water does drip through my gazebo. So I've got no issues whatsoever on this. It's a nice dark oak wood finish. It's not wood, it's high plastic, so it's not warping, nothing, just stays as it is all the time. So starting with the drawer number one, which is a charcoal drawer, which is pretty massive. You can see at the moment I've got my speaker in there. There is enough space for two 10 kg charcoal bags, and the charcoal I've been keeping it through the winter, summer. Charcoal does not get wet at all. Not sure if you can see inside. You've got a runners. So this plastic looks exactly the same inside and outside, and to be honest, after using nearly 3 years, it's got a soft close. So if you slam it, soft closes. I have not had to adjust any of the drawers yet. So let's take a look at the drawers. How big are they? We're going to pull that out. See how massive they are. So basically the size of the drawer, 750 mil depth by 730 wide, which as you can see is full packed with stuff, so you can basically pack up as much as you want. It's not going anywhere. Same again, it's got soft close. So you've got a middle drawer, same size, exactly same size. Basically I've got a variety of the pots, pans, grates, other stuff in there. And basically, because there's three sizes of, because there's three drawers like that, it's just amount of stuff you can pack. So my bottom drawers for my fire starters, so there's gloves and basically all the stuff that you can fit in it. Soft close, everybody loves soft close. So now let's have a look at the actual grill area. So there's a nice cutout all the way around the grill. So the grill is not touching the actual table, so there's no way that's going to damage anything. So underside of the grill, quite spacious as well, just needs cleaning. I forgot to mention the table is made by Kamado. They are based in Lithuania. So the table sits in there. So what we've got underneath there, so we've got, say you need to clean your ash from the grill, it's just basically take this cover off, and that's where the ash goes, in the ashtray. So pull it back, everything goes in there, sweep up, that's it. So if you want to empty this, so what you need to do, make sure it's closed, pick it up, and it comes off like that, and you just tip it out in a bin or whatever. So put it back on, it's nice and simple, just like that. So also you've got everything down here stainless steel, as you can see. So I've got a little bit of room for storage. So you've got a sliding front, which still works fine, no issues whatsoever. Maybe needs a little bit of oil in it, but I'm good with that. So you've got also storage compartments underneath, which has got 1, 2, 3 stainless steel drawers, which is pure stainless, not painted. There's actually space for my pans again, kazans, cast iron pans, and basically whatever I can fit in there. It gets a bit dusty in here, but as whatever you use every time, you just clean up and basically it's good to use. So the other drawers are slightly smaller, but perfectly fits the all the flat stuff, cast iron grills, cooking stones, grills, and everything else. Yeah, so you can see there's more of these. So the size of these drawers is, let's have a look, where's my tape measure? So the size of these drawers are 760 by, there you go, by 690 millimeters. The depth, the two drawers are actually basically just for anything that is flat. The other drawer is for anything that's about 170 height, which is pretty good. So this sliding front is basically just to hide the bottom drawers, aesthetics only, I would say. Slides up and down, stops whatever you want. So basically when you're not using the drawers, you just keep in the bottom, you need the drawers, lift it up, sit, use it down, drop it down. So the ventilation at the back, you've got a about 3-inch hole down the bottom, about the same level as a grill, bottom of the grill, so basically the air circulates through. Obviously can't see at the moment, but on that side here, you've got same holes to put those shelving or hooks on it. Right, one of these can go on the other side, so basically you can set up the way you like it. One of these bars, I think this bar is mainly used for the hanging your hand towel, roll hand towels on it. So basically, but I'm not using that because I've got my hand towels in that drawer like that. So the color there's a few different colors actually you can choose from. There's yellow, grey, but I went for the natural wood color, which is good. They all come with the same color panels, lightish grey. So yeah, the back of the table is just basically that grey colour, which is not bad, looks okay. You can actually have it as a middle island somewhere in your grill area. And looking at the back of this one, it's not bad, it's quite appealing. It's sitting on 6 wheels like that, which is, you can apply the brake on, I believe, 4 of them. I will apply the brakes on 2 of them. So the only bit of rust there you can see is on this wheel, which is my dog does a bit of a pee-pee. So all the pros basically have not adjusted any of the drawers. They still work since day one it was set up. Nothing's rusted, still solid. Got no issues whatsoever with it. Structurally we've got no issues whatsoever. Nothing come loose. So what I think of the cons would be a very couple, to be honest. So these hooks there, these are my custom made hooks, because the ones that came with it basically were just sliding simple hooks. You touch it, it just swivels about. These ones actually you can't just push it like that, it just stays in place. And I've got these from IKEA, just bent them, put them on, it actually suits better. So the other small issue is basically where the grill sits in the bottom. The supporting beams for the grill is only one supporting beam in the middle, and the other one's a bit too far. So when the grill gets hot, that gets a bit rocky. So to fix that, I had to put a thicker plate underneath the grill to stop the rocking, which it doesn't rock anymore. So that probably could be looked at here, but to be honest, not a big issue whatsoever. So the main question is, what's the price of this table? Whew. Lucky enough, I won this table, so for me it was free. I'm very happy about it. Even if I would have paid, I think, over 4,000 euros, maybe 5,000, I don't know, I'm not sure. I need to look up on the internet. I might put the price up there somewhere. But yeah, to be honest, this table is just awesome, guys. I cannot recommend enough of this table, especially the drawers. And to be honest, I've been keeping all this stuff over the winter and everything. It just, nothing gets damp inside, nothing gets wet, especially in the rainy days. The water's all over the table. The drawers do not get wet, so the water does not go inside the drawers whatsoever. So I keep my firelighters in the bottom. So middle of the winter, I just get them Nothing's wet. Obviously now it's the summer, so definitely not going to get wet. But yeah, through the winter I had no problems. So as mentioned, just a couple of small issues, which is those, that one, and to be honest, overall, it's just a perfect grilling table. It's perfect. Basically, they can fit any size grill you want. You can actually adjust the height as well. So see those holes down here? That can be adjusted up and down to suit the height of your grill. Just to mention, the weight of this table actually holds all the drawers. I've just opened up. Obviously, you've got the grill inside, you've got the other stuff inside, so the table is super heavy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video about reviewing this table. Just got no issues with it. I don't know. The drawers, everything's still solid. Nothing came loose whatsoever. Soft close, no issues. And I pretty much use it every weekend, heavy. So this table for the last 3 years has been used more than my kitchen table. Anything else? Ask the questions down in the comments. Please drop a like, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.